with family, small groups of friends. This is something brand new today from Temp-tations. It's called a seasonal chip and dip platter. Now take a look down front, because what you're getting here is a beautiful round platter. Then you're getting a baker, and I believe the baker is 16 ounces. And it comes with its own lid. And then you get these two little cutie holders for toothpicks or whatever else you might like to place in there, right? Now, this one is the Patriotic. 1,800 in the Patriotic. This one is the only order of the season. Here it is in palm. 1,700 in the palm, all done in stoneware. And then finally I have it for you in the nautical. Most limited, fewer than 1,200. So if you're looking for a way to utilize these, so many different cool ideas, whether you're using this for your buffalo wings and your blue cheese dressing in the center, your little crudité inside the little holders, however you want to work with this, it's going to be absolutely perfect. And then tilt that up a little bit and you can see the blue cheese dressing. Really perfect. And until you're ready to serve it, that lid parks right on top to keep the flies out. Let's bring in Tesher. She is the president and CEO of Temp-tations, here to tell us all about this brand new item. And Tara, so much fun, so much color, and so clever in its design.
Yeah, and just useful pieces, David, right? Especially as we're going outside a little bit more for the summertime. You start with that 13-inch round serving platters. Lots of times we have ovals, we have rectangle. But what I love about this is you can put 50 shrimp on here. You can put a dozen ears of corn on here, hot dogs and hamburgers, all of those things that we want to bring to and from the table. And at the heart of it, it's just a great foundation for everything that we layer on top. This is that gorgeous palm, as you mentioned. And then don't forget 16 ounces. You get a matching coordinated covered piece. We did the palm in this case with that beautiful palm detail on the top. And then, as you mentioned, those cute little kind of toothpick holders. We even put some veggie sticks in some where we did a little pina colada and a little flip-flop. So it's just super fun, super practical and useful. And as you mentioned, all of that great stoneware. So it will keep things colder longer. Like we did a beautiful shrimp cocktail here on the nautical where we have the rope detail. So all of these are hand painted, all of those same gorgeous accents that you love. And then the buoy is the adorable, cute center where we did some of our cocktail sauce. And we just, of course, tucked in our little turtle and our little crab, some of our toothpicks. So you can start to see this is a traditional thing you want to serve. Now you have it right there. Corn on the cob. It's a perfect platter. We did melted butter in the little buoy, a la Gail, my mother, where you could spread it on top of there if you wanted to. So we did a seasoned butter or just a hot dip. Maybe you're doing some quick little apps and you have an artichoke dip behind you, right in front of you there with some of your little toast points.
And we even added some Parmesan cheese in the little holders,
yes, please.
Which could be really, really cute. So remember, this is all about entertaining. It's all about indoor, outdoor entertaining. As we're entertaining more family members and probably small groups of friends as they come over, what a perfect choice, because all of this then can go, I believe, Tara, into the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup.
You're absolutely right. In the oven up to 500 degrees when you want to bake in them. So you never have to worry about it. It's everything you've come to love. You can pop that platter in your microwave if it fits. There we did racks and racks of ribs. So again, all of those great things we want to like get off the grill and get on the table, and Temp-tations always has you covered.
Well, and then we used this for the barbecue sauce, right?
Yes,
put a little paintbrush in there, or what we call a mop brush, to mop that that barbecue sauce all over that chicken and ribs, and you're ready to go. Now, of course, toothpicks and the little holders there, because you can't have barbecue without a toothpick, because you're going to get some stuff between your teeth. And then look down front here. We have the only order of the season in all three of these. Remember, these are seasonal patterns. So if they sell out, it could be a year before we ever see them again, if at all. This is Patriotic. Most popular, only 1,500 remaining, and this will be there in plenty of time for your 4th of July celebration. Now, next to that, I've got it for you in the palm, 1,600, and depending on where you live or how you decorate, you might use that all year round, right? And then from there, we go to nautical. Only 1,000 in the nautical now left to go around. This is not only 4 easy payments, Tara, but it is also free shipping and handling, brand new today, and the only order of the season. All of this stoneware. So remember, Temp-tations at its heart, when we're talking stoneware, keeps hot, hot, cold, cold, completely versatile. You can make things in advance and park these in the fridge.
You're right. And here I'm coming right from the oven with a little s'mores dip that I made, because again, we talk about how these are oven safe, which is great. Now, this is also part of our limited edition collection. So what does that mean? You're obviously saying it's the only order of the year. There's no guarantee that we will do this again. These are specialty pieces that we do this time of year, as you mentioned. And then once we lose your pattern or your color in this case, by the way, you know how much I love s'mores. I mean, I need a moment of silence real quick. Look at this, a hot s'mores dip in our limited edition platter with adorable figural 16 ounces, 13-inch platter, holds a ton, and of course the cute little toothpick complements that you'll find so many reasons to use.
Tara, in 1 minute and 42 seconds, you can take a big bite of that. So,
and yeah, I might.
Lucky. All right, so look at this. We did a beautiful pita and vegetable or crudité platter with a dipping sauce. Really lovely. This could be parked in the fridge ahead of time, ready to go. If you wanted to do, I have an idea. If you're doing a barbecue with hamburgers and hot dogs, put all your hamburgers and hot dogs around here and then park coleslaw on the inside. That's something you can keep in the fridge, right? And keep that nice and cold until you're ready to serve it. You can also tuck in all the fixins for your hamburgers and hot dogs around here as well. Maybe your lettuce, tomato, sliced onions, all those kinds of things. What I don't want you to do is miss out on this opportunity. It is brand new today, free shipping and handling. 1,000 are already gone, and here is Patriotic. 1,300 remaining in that Patriotic, going quickly. This will arrive in time for 4th of July. From there, we go to Palm. 1,500 remaining in that Palm. And then finally, we have it for you in the Nautical with that gorgeous rope detail and fewer than 1,000 to go around. Now, Tara, you're coming back a couple of more times in our show. So we're looking forward to seeing you back. And Mary has one of your items, and then I have your bamboo serving bowls.
Oh, that big 4-quart bamboo serving bowl with servers coming up.
Yes, that'll be coming up, and that'll be coming up a little later in the show. So be on the lookout for that. Tara, thanks so much. We'll be back with you in a little while.
All right, see you in a bit. Thanks,
All right, thank you. All right, let's also remind you about our Ginsu knife.